So you want to know how to make a video? Good question. I'd like to find out myself. Welcome to Ackadime. Well, the first thing I do when making a video is get a topic. A topic can be anything you want it to be. Sometimes there's a demand for a topic, and someone needs to supply it. That is why I started this channel. Ever since that fateful day, I have uploaded a video every day until they caught me. Maybe not, but I am now. I'm announcing the start of Clapped Month. Every day for the rest of the month, I'll be uploading a new video at 12 o'clock Central Time. You're welcome in advance. Anyway, let's continue with the video. After deciding the topic, it is helpful to plan the video before recording it. An outline of what will happen can be the difference from a mess or an organized mess. You can go even further by scripting the video, word for word, but I would never do that. After you know what you're going to do in the video, the next step is to do it. If you're making it on a computer, like a Let's Play or a tutorial, you will need some way to record the screen. There are a couple techniques that work for this. If you're on a budget, you can take your phone and hold it up to the screen like a Neanderthal discovering fire. If you are familiar with the downloads folder, you can use something like Bandicam or OBS. I like OBS because it takes up a good amount of my computer's power and always asks me to update it when I'm in a hurry. The downside of it is that it's free and you never have to pay anything. Once you figure out how to record and what you're doing, just do it. Once your video is recorded, it's time to edit. Editing can be the difference between that kid streaming his live stream settings and a Soviet Womble video. Editing can be done with numerous programs in several styles. I use VideoPad because I have it. Some people like to use Adobe or Vegas, but that would require me learning a new interface and I hate learning. Editing is like polishing the diamond you just mined. The more effort you put into the editing, the better it will look. It's like when that one girl who takes pictures of herself in public restrooms to upload to Instagram used filters and brushes so she looks like Candy from the nightclub. The more attention to detail you have, the better your video will look. When I edit, I usually spend about an hour lazily stitching together clips and pasting images off the internet. So now you know how to make a video, but I didn't say anything about what to do with that video once you're done. I have to keep some secrets to myself. Thanks for watching Ackadime. Hal is my name, and education is my game.